27th of January, and tomorrow is my first shift, and then I have another shift on Friday with my preceptor. So today it is a in-between day. I'm going to be going on a walk today with my family, and I just wanted to share a couple tips and tricks that have helped me get prepared for the week, for the next 2 days. So first of all, I started off by doing the laundry. So I have all my clean scrubs, all my compression socks are clean and ready to go. I have prepped. Here, let me turn around. Let me see if I can turn the camera around and I can show you. No. Maybe I have to just turn it around physically. So this is the ground coffee. I grind the beans the night before, and then this is how I kind of prep it. I put the water in. I put the grounds, and then just keeping up on your dishes is so important. I feel like routines are gonna help you a lot if you are busy, and often we'll make excuses for why we can't get our routines done. I would suggest making a reason in your head why you're doing those routines, not just doing them blindly. For example, if I don't do my dishes all at once, I'm going to have to do more dishes tomorrow. Or if I don't get my laundry done, I'm not going to have fresh clothes to wear. I recommend doing laundry at least every other day. I guess more depending on your number of people in your family. Also, for your routines, you don't always have to do, you are not always responsible to do those routines. There's other people in your household, and you can delegate. And I know I'm sounding too nurse-like by saying that, but delegation really is important. Here's another example of how I kind of prep. So see, there's apple sauces, there's bananas. These are just quick things that I can put in my lunch pack and or eat for breakfast, and they're going to be healthy. Also, if you're having a dinner, for example, tonight I'm making stuffed peppers and rice, and I have my rice here all prepped for tonight. So it just makes it easier. I'll just have to chop up the onions, the garlic, and then saute them, and then brown the beef. Okay, so here I'm going to just give you guys a little glance of how I kind of prep. So here is my breakfast tomorrow: the apples, and then the apples and the oatmeal. I don't know why my brain is blanking out. And then I have 2 days worth of the veggies. So I always prep 2 days at a time. If you do it more than that, your food is likely to become soggy. So here, let me just undo the top here. So here is, you have your protein source, so something quick to eat, and then your veggies. It's so important to eat healthy when your schedule is, well, always, whether your schedule's busy or not, but it's so important to have that foundation in place of healthy eating. And then I've got my full fat, plain, no sugar added Greek yogurt, and then I've got my berries. So that's just something I like to have ready to go. So if you can get those things done 2 days ahead of time, it really helps. Definitely really helps. The last recommendation I have is to not forget self-care. So find something that you like to do, whether it's reading or even house cleaning can be really therapeutic. Something just just something that makes you feel like you're making your home a home, something that makes you smile when you walk into the room. Like, for example, I like to have these flowers here. So see these flowers? I arranged them. I have a new vase of flowers normally oh gosh, the lighting's horrible. Every Sunday I work on a new vase of flowers. And I know a lot of my speech has been a little rambling, but those are my tips and tricks for busy nurses, or if you're in a new to acute program, if you're a new grad, or even if you're in nursing school.